friends. So right now I'm making some decoration.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm making some
Lovely.
snowflakes.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is origami like.
Yeah. I fold the paper, then I
Oh,
cut it,
cut it.
and then
Lovely.
when
So
I unfold it, it
your
looks
handcraft
like
is really good.
yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah, thank you. So crafts and Christmas.
Ah,
Hi.
awesome.
Hi. Hi, my name is Dakota. What's your name?
Yeah, I can't hear you. Yeah, no, it's okay.
You can't hear me?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay?
Yeah, is it okay?
Okay. All right. My name is Dakota.
And my name
What
is
is your
Indrajit and I am from India.
okay, from India. What
Yes.
part of India?
I live in eastern part of India and the state name is West Bengal.
Okay. I am from Canada, but I live in Vietnam.
Oh, so madam, may I ask that why are you living here?
I traveled to Vietnam just to travel around Asia for
Oh,
6 months, but I loved it so much I decided to stay.
oh wow, that's great.
Yeah. So I have been teaching English here for 3 years.
Oh, so such a long time.
Yeah. Yeah, I enjoy it. I would love to go to India, but I have not been there yet.
Yes, because coronavirus, but you should visit once in your life.
Yes. I was planning this year to go to Sri Lanka.
Oh,
Sorry.
disconnect. So for poor network.
Yeah, there we go. That's better now.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Indrajit and I'm from India and I'm studying engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Oh, wow. Okay, cool.
And only 1 year left to become graduate.
Oh, good for you. Okay. And how long have you been on Cambly?
I have been using Cambly over 6 months.
Wow. Okay. And have you noticed any improvement?
Yes, I have noticed a lot of improvements and I get confidence in speaking English. So that is a big positive thing for me.
Oh, awesome.
And also Cambly is wonderful platform for me because we love to meet new people and I love to know some different cultures, different cities from different cities. So that is awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Okay, cool. That's great.
And ma'am, who do you live with?
Who? Yeah, I will introduce you. These are my housemates. Say hello.
Oh, wow.
1 and 2.
Oh, hi.
These are
Wow.
my children.
Really.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Hmm.
And oh, so you live with them,
Yes.
with your great children.
Yes, just me and my 2 hairy children.
Wow, great. And I
Yeah.
love dogs, especially. I want to say that I do not have any pet, but I feed some local dogs in my local area.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, these 2 actually, there was a street dog that lived in the alley by my house,
Oh,
and she was pregnant. And one day I saw her giving birth to the puppies under a bench. So that is, yeah,
yes.
I took them and found a
You
happy home.
rescued them. Actually, you rescued them.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
And so, ma'am, what are the things that make you happy?
Let's see, what makes me happy? Today I am happy because it's almost Christmas.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, and I will celebrate Christmas with my friends. So right now I'm making some decoration.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm making some
Lovely.
snowflakes. Yeah.
Yes, it is origami like.
Yeah, I fold the paper, then I
Oh,
cut it,
cut it.
and then
Lovely.
when
So
I
your
unfold it, it
your
looks
handcraft
like,
is really good.
yeah,
Awesome, awesome.
yeah, thank you. So crafts and Christmas.
Ah, awesome. So you love handmade creativity.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I love to work with my hands.
And
What about you?
yeah, I love paintings.
Painting.
Yeah,
Oh.
I love paintings and I use watercolor to paint.
Ah, okay. That's so nice. Ah, what do you like to paint? Portraits or
Yeah,
landscape?
landscape. I love to paint landscape of urban and rural.
Oh, cool. Can I see some of your work?
Actually, it is far away, but next time I will
Okay, no
show you.
problem. No problem. That's okay. But oh, that's great. Watercolor art is so beautiful.
Yes, watercolor.
Mm, yeah, yeah. Oh, cool.
And so, ma'am,
All right.
what are the things that make you irritated or angry?
Angry.
Yeah.
Oof. Um, I have some pet peeves, like
What is this?
things that a pet peeve
Okay.
is something that bothers you
Oh.
or makes you angry for no reason.
Oh, I see. Pet peeve. Okay, pet peeve. Okay.
Yeah,
Annoying,
like
annoying
for me,
something.
yeah, for me, it's like I hate people that walk slowly in
Oh,
front of me.
yes.
But something that makes me angry, mm, maybe.
Abusive of animals.
Sorry?
Abusive of animals make you angry.
Yeah, yeah,
Me too. Also.
exactly. Yeah, I'm a vegetarian. I just love animals. And when I see, like, for example, if someone kills a lion for
Oh,
sport, it
no,
makes me so angry.
that is really cruelty.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, I hate sport hunters and people who don't care about the environment.
Yeah, that is the major thing.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
do you like cooking?
I love cooking.
Oh, wow, great. And what is the favorite cooked meal by you?
Oh, I don't know. That's a great question. Um, I like to bake, so I
Oh,
like to make cookies and
cake.
cakes.
Yeah, exactly. And
Mhm.
so Christmas is
Yeah.
coming soon, so you will be prepared for a lot of bakings.
Yeah, yeah, I have a lot of baking to do. But my friends will come to visit me from
Oh,
out of
wow.
town, and they are vegan.
Oh,
So,
great.
yeah,
So
so I have to make some recipes that are vegan. So
lovely,
it's a new
lovely.
challenge.
Yeah, it's a new challenge. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I love yeah, biryani.
Mm.
Biryani is a famous food in India,
Mm.
and also I love a lot spicy food.
Me too. I love spicy food. Mm.
Great. And yeah, what about dessert?
Yeah, I love sweet things. I have a sweet tooth.
Oh,
Yeah.
and
Especially chocolate.
chocolate. Wow, great. So you are
Mm.
chocolate lover.
I am. Oh my God, so much.
So and in an empty stomach, how much chocolate can you take?
Can I eat? Too much. More than I should.
Oh,
I
great.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. My friend broke up with her boyfriend the other day.
Oh
So
my
I
God.
came to her house and I just brought a bag full of chocolates and a bottle of wine and a movie.
Wow.
Yeah. And she just laughed at me because I ate almost all of the chocolate.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
And are so how long have you been teaching English? on Cambly?
I have been on Cambly for almost a year now.
Oh, great.
Yeah. I think if you look at my profile, you can see the picture. I have very long hair.
Oh,
And
but
I cut my
now you have cut your hair.
Yeah, I cut it very short this year. So I look so different from my Cambly picture.
Okay.
Mm.
Great. And yeah, I saw that Cambly video in your profile video that your hair color is yellow.
Yes, yeah, a little bit blonde. Yeah.
Totally
So
changed.
yeah.
So when I saw you, then I think it's totally changed.
Yeah, I know. I look like a different person. I need to make a new
But
video.
but but you are looking great.
Thank
Pretty
you.
well. Pretty well.
I need that. Thank you. Okay.